The prepuce right here, it's like the outer skin, and then we have the glans penis, the head, and the corpus cavernosum, and then the corpus sponginosum here.
And then we have the spongy urethra, the membranous urethra, and then the prostate urethra. This is a prostate, the ejaculating duct, the ball of the penis, and I don't know how to pronounce this, but it starts with a B.
It's this one, the bulboid
Yeah,
urethra.
here's the bulb of the penis, and then the urethra, so this is the bulb urethra
Bulbourethral gland.
gland.
Yes. Or simply called the Cowper's gland.
Okay.
Cowper's gland, okay, and then this is the symphysis. I mean, it's not on this, but just so that you can know about it.
Pubic symphysis.
The pubic symphysis, and then this is the testes, and this is the epididymis, the tunica vaginalis, and then this is the tunica albigina, the urinary bladder, the rectum, the sigmoid. What else?
That's it. And then also on this one.
The seminal vesicle, I don't know. This is the whole, where's this?
Spermatic duct.
Yeah, the spermatic duct,
Hole.
the ductus deferens, and the uter, the prostate gland.
And that's it. Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so for the female, you had the external and the internal structures. So the same thing with the male. You have the external structures and the internal structures as well. But basically, you find more of the external structures in the male. All right, so this one is the penis, which is your copulatory organ. For the female, the copulatory organ is the vagina. All right, so the male and the female copulatory organs are complementary with each other. So you have the penis. This is the shaft of the penis. This is the head of the penis, which where you find the glans penis. All right, and normally this is covered by prepuce. After circumcision, the prepuce would retract. Okay, exposing only the glans penis, the head of the penis. Okay, and then you have here the scrotum, or the scrotal sac. You have the fatty tissues here. I'm sorry. The fatty tissues, and this shows you also the testes and the epididymis. This one is your spermatic cord, which consists of these blood vessels and the ductus deferens, or the vas deferens. Okay, so this is the spermatic cord as a whole. All right, now if you look at here, the other side, you would see here more details of the penis. Okay, so the penis is made of erectile tissues. And there are two kinds of erectile tissues here. You have the corpus spongiosum, okay, and you have the corpus cavernosa. So the corpus cavernosa is dorsal. And there are actually two sets of the, two columns of the corpus cavernosa. And the corpus spongiosum, as you would see here, it surrounds the urethra here. And the end of the corpus spongiosum is the bulb of the penis. Okay? Now the urethra here, as you could see, the urethra has three regions. Starting from here, you have the prostatic urethra, and then you have here the membranous urethra, and then the spongy urethra. Okay. Now you have the prostate gland here, and this one is the ejaculatory duct. You also could see here the prostate gland very clearly here. This one is the seminal vesicle, the ductus deferens as it goes here towards the seminal vesicle. Okay. This one, of course, you know this one is the ureter. Okay, the urinary bladder as well. Okay. You identified the bulbourethral gland here, this one, bulbourethral gland, or the Copper's gland, simply the Copper's gland. With the tunics here, of course, this one is the epididymis. This is part of the epididymis. This one is the testis, and you have the tunics. The one immediately outside the testis would be the tunica albuginea, and then you have the tunica vaginalis. All right, and then the fatty pad here, and the scrotal sac. All right, you have questions?